This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
From the Aishan Broadcast Studio, it's What's Treading, brought to you by Hunter Engineering.
Hey guys, David from Tire Review here, and today I've got something just totally different on this episode of What's Treading, and that's because what I have here is a bound book of tire review issues from 1995. I just thought it'd be fun to, crack it open and peer into kind of what we were talking about back then, and I don't know, look at what the ads looked like from 30 years ago. So yeah, come on, let's check it out. Looking at the cover here, and I mean, come on. You cannot tell me that this does not make you want to wear one of those, pastel windbreakers and drink out of one of those solo cups with the squiggly purple and aqua lines, the jazz design that they called it for some reason. I don't know. I love these colors. I love this kind of like askew look and the font. I mean, this is the 90s. This is just killer. This is awesome. So, of course, we're featuring a couple of classic 90s vehicles here. We've got the Ford Bronco and Chevy Blazer, maybe? I don't know. I could be wrong. You tell me. How else am I going to learn? I don't know. So right away, I've got a couple of feature stories here, and the one that draws my eye is this computer wheel matching. I've got no idea what that means or what we're going to be talking about, but if we're talking about 90s computing in any way, I'm excited to check that one out. Let's turn the page into the inside cover, and we can see here a fantastic Falcon ad featuring Mr. Claude Case, the then president of Charlie Case Tire Company, which was actually acquired by Ampac Tire Distributors in the very early 2000s. And I don't know if we can zoom in here, but he's wearing one of the greatest ties ever crafted by human hands. I know ties are a little out of vogue right now, but I like ties. I'm a tie guy, and I'm going to need to track that one down. So that's just wonderful. Now, here we go. We're going to look at the table of contents. And, I don't know, just browsing here, it's pretty cool to see that our content in our books hasn't really changed much. I mean, we've got some business features here. We've got a feature on selling wheels with that new computer program that we were talking about from the cover. And then we've got a dealer feature, a Hawaiian dealer profile. Who could it be? I can feel the anticipation growing. You'll just have to stick around, I guess. I don't know. So we're looking at this Maxxis ad on page 3, and already I'm noticing that a lot of the ads here are just kind of chock full of text. I mean, you see it back here too. And I mean, it's got the big font size. I mean, I don't know. I don't think it's bad. It definitely gets my attention. It's definitely something you don't see a lot today. I don't know if that was just the design choice at the time, or maybe some kind of design limitation. I don't know. So, okay, turning the page here. This is very nice. We got a column from Tire Review's dearly missed former editor, Jim Davis. And yeah, he's talking about customer service. So that hasn't changed. I mean, I could probably just scan this into the computer and run it word for word, and nobody would ever know the difference. So yeah, got to remember to do that. Save me some time. Oh, all right. So check out this ad. We got the problem. We got the solution. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna hit this child. That's the issue here. So that's an effective ad. Problem. What problem? Oh, okay. We're gonna hit this kid. That would be a problem. So you better buy a Mitsubishi. That's a good ad. Okay, so we've got another great ad. This one is from Jetsons, of course, a TBC brand. Who doesn't want to read a comic? I mean, it drew me right in. We need more ads like this today. This is gold. And on that note, I mean, God, I miss the Sunday comics in the newspaper. I know I'm not the only one. Manufacturers, take note here for your next ad campaign. This is super creative, and I'm going to read this ad. This is awesome. Over here, we got another one of these full-page ads that's basically just text. Big wall of text here, but I definitely dig the red, white, and blue. Very patriotic, baby, here in 1995. I dig it. I dig it. This is nice. Okay, great article here on page 16. Another article that we could probably run without much editing and it would still apply. I mean, it's basically saying, hey, learn your local market, find and establish yourself a nice little niche, study the market trends, and you'll be on track. So really good stuff here. I'd second that is very good business advice. Okay. Another really effective ad from Firestone here, marketing the birth of the Firehawk SS10 Street Performance Radial Tire. So, I don't know. I dig it. It just looks cool. It just oozes cool, don't you think? Here we go. Another ad with big, bold text and lots of words. I mean, I guess this is the 90s, but I got to admit, it is effective. I mean, I read it. I'm going to read that. Those are big words. What else we got? Yes. Okay. Page 26, we finally found it. This is that new computer program to help us sell wheels. Okay, so this is the best. I mean, come on. Vehicle Design Center. This is what I'm talking about right here. Look at this, and let me just read this for you. We're talking about a new system called Vehicle Design Center, or VDC, is now available to show the customer a series of real wheel designs on his real vehicle. According to Shelley Gruber, CEO of Visual Reality, the process may go something like this. A customer comes into your store one day to buy some accessories, get an oil change, etc., or to actually purchase wheels. In all of these cases, you can use the VDC system to change a "no thanks, I'm just looking" into a "thanks for the wheels, dude." Dude, yes, sign me up. The article says it only takes about 30 minutes of mouse work to become familiar with the system. So honestly, I think it's about time we bring this one back. How could you not want to play with this software? I mean, come on, I don't care if you sell wheels or not. This puppy sells itself. I love old software that is just so good. And then page 27, all the wheels. So many wheels. We got Keystone here, and Keystone's got the wheels. Let's see here. Ooh. Are all tire brands equal? It's a great question. There's so much text in these 90s ads. I mean, great use of the R also in Telstar. Profits. I like that. Well done. Okay, so this is interesting. We're coming up now on this long advertorial section here. Tire Review's 1995 Product Spotlight Preview. And it's just full of products, and it's over 30 pages long. It's actually pretty cool to kind of look back at this. I mean, we've got everything in here: tire repair materials, stock wheels, we got tire sealant, brake washing equipment, tires, of course. And then in the middle of this whole section, we have this whole other section. It's this hole punch section featuring MAP uniform inspection guidelines, courtesy of Ray Bestis. And it's exactly what you would expect here. It's just some hardcore MAP guidelines focusing on ABS brakes. I mean, this is cool. I am all about this. Now, if we get past this kind of thing here, in this product spotlight section.
Presented from the Aishin Broadcast Studio at Babcock's Media.
Oh, okay. Before I move past, I got to say, I do love this advertising from Galaxy Tire here, a beefy baby. Of course, referring to its famous skid steer tires here, but also apparently this actual beefy baby. We see it again on page 76 here, too. I'll be sure to point that out. And yeah, I mean, that's a beefy baby, for sure. For sure. That's accurate. Alrighty, okay, we're here. We're on to the Hawaiian dealer profile. Who is it? We see the headline riding a wave here. Doesn't tell me a whole lot. Okay. Oh, yeah, here we go. Lex Brody's. Love these guys. Should have known. Obviously, great dealer. Great dealer. All right, check out this article. We're getting down to the basics. Profit boosters. Checking the fluids leads to more sales and is a great way to look out for your customer. Yeah, you got that right, Jim. Still holds true. Another one. Still holds true for sure. Okay, this ad, I really, 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 really like this ad. This is a great Mopar ad, and this kind of looks like an illustration to me. Can we just take a moment to marvel at this actually pretty incredible illustration? I mean, that is beautiful. It's really too bad. I mean, I'm not seeing a credit for the artist here. But I mean, God, that's awesome. And then, of course, we've got more big, bold letters. It's just well illustrated. It draws me in. That's good. That's good stuff. So now we're getting toward the end here. Actually, we are at the end of our January issue, and we see the back cover. We've got some early Photoshop action here from Hankook Tire with that beautiful old logo of theirs. And, of course, ASA wheels. I love this so much. We got horses. We got tires. I mean, come on. That is gorgeous. You got to give me some more of that. So, guys, that was a blast from the past for you. I mean, looking back 30 years at Tire Review Magazine. And, yeah, I mean, things look a lot different aesthetically in here. But when it comes to what we were actually writing about, like the content, I don't know. I think it holds up. I mean, I think that's my biggest takeaway. So, I don't know. I had a lot of fun. What do you guys think? Do you want more content like this? I mean, let me know. I've got issues going back all the way to the early 1900s, so you tell me what you want to see. Do you want to see the 50s, the 70s? I can make it happen. So, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Take care.